Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Cecotec Mixer Glass Power Schwarz Titan 1000 INOX. This powerhouse blender boasts a robust 1000-watt motor encased in a sleek stainless steel body, ensuring both durability and style in your kitchen. Its 6-blade system, coated with black titanium, effortlessly tackles any ingredient, providing you with smooth and consistent results every time. The 1.5-liter glass jug is not only spacious but also heat-resistant, making it perfect for both hot and cold recipes. With 5 adjustable speed settings, this mixer offers versatile functionality to suit all your blending needs, from silky smoothies to hearty soups. Its space-saving design ensures it fits comfortably on any countertop without compromising on performance. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient kitchen companion, the Cecotec Mixer Glass Power Schwarz Titan 1000 INOX might just be the perfect choice for you. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.